that seems like a lot of potential data to harvest from the machinery. So how do engineers go about making sense of the data that's collected in a condition monitoring program?
I would say process engineers, industrial engineers, and maintenance engineers can benefit from the data by looking at it at the instance and also looking back and see what's happening within their process. They know the process the most. So oftentimes we partner with them because they know how their machines are running. They know how it's supposed to run. They also know what's the challenges that they run into.